Estimate ko na 200.
Philippines is a tropical country and weather is summer and rainy seasons. It is also here where the Mayon volcano is located, which is still active up to now. Mayon volcano is one of the wonders of the world for its perfect cone shape. It's nice to go for vacation here for its nice weather, a lot of tourist attraction and nice sceneries. There are two nearest waterfalls from where our rest house is located. This is the Palali Falls in Albay, and it's a 25 minutes hike from our house. And Busay Falls, which is about 40 minutes drive and 20 minutes hike. "30-minute drive is the Mayon Volcano Skyline Rest House and Observatory. The Bicol province in Albay, Philippines is where you can find the famous and tasty pili nuts. There are plenty of varieties of farm crops here like sweet yam, corn, abaca, coconuts, chili pepper, taro, edible ferns, papaya, to name a few. Before I missed, Bicol is known and famous for its spicy dishes cooked with plenty of coconut cream and a lot of hot spicy chili peppers. Our farm is also abundant of edible ferns called fiddlehead greens, which is called pako in our native language. It is normally cooked with channelhead apple snail or kohol in our native language. Cooked with coconut cream, spicy pepper, applehead snails or kohol, and a lot of edible ferns, fronds. Thank you for watching, and until next time.